Good evening and welcome back, students. Now we will start discussion of some more important questions of simultaneous linear equations word problem in which you all have doubts, like question number 9 related to the sum of two-digit number. And whenever there is a question related to sum of two-digit number, you have to follow some instructions which I have discussed in previous sessions. So in questions involving two-digit, first three lines of our assumption must be always like, first we let's assume that digit at tens place be x. Digit at tens place be x and digit at units place be y. So the original number equals to 10x plus y. So in question, read the question of the sum of two-digit number means 10x plus y and the number obtained by interchanging the digit. So digits are interchanged. So we write the next condition when the digits are interchanged. When the digits are interchanged, then what will be the tens digit? That which was first digit earlier means y. And what will be the units digit? That which was tens digit in previous condition, that is x. And so what will be the new number on interchanging the digit? It will be obtained when we multiply tens digit number by 10, ones digit by 1 and add them. Now according to question, it is given that the sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits. So first find the sum according to you. Don't read this 110 first. You can read but don't use. Sum of original number and new number. So first find it in terms of x and y only. It is given that the sum of the digits, the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit equals to original number is 10x plus y, new number is 10y plus x, so sum is 11x plus 11y. When we take 11 common into x plus y, the sum is 110. Now we read this sum. So 11 into x plus y equals to 110. Divide both sides by 11. So we get x plus y equals to 10 as the equation number 1. After this, we further read the next line. The digits of the number differ by 6. Okay. So this is the main confusion in this question, that only the difference in the digits is given. It is not given which digit is larger and which is smaller. So we can have two cases. Case second, difference of digits equals to, given that in question, difference of digit is 6. Okay. Means two cases do arise again. First case we name as case 2A. This was case first, in which sum of the original number and the new number was given. Case 2a, x is greater than y, that is tens digit is greater than units digit, then x minus y equals to 6. Take it as equation number 2 and add equation number 1, x plus y equals to 10 in this. Adding equation 1. Y cancelled out, x plus x 2x equals to 16. Or you should use pencil to cut this, okay? Light pencil. That is x equals to 8 and y equals to a, so sum is 10. So y equals to 10 minus x, that is 10 minus 8 equals to 2. So the original number equals to 10x plus y, that is 10 into x is 8 plus 2 equals to 82. Okay. Now other case, we should take case 2b, y minus x equals to 6, difference is still 6. And this is when y is greater than x, means unit digit is greater. And when we add the first equation, y plus x equals to 10, this time this x will be cancelled out. So y plus y, 2y equals to 16, that is y equals to 8. So from equation 1, x equals to 10 minus y, that is 10 minus 8 equals to 2. So the original number will be then 2x plus y, that is 20. So two answers are possible. 28 and 82 are the two answers. So this is the method of solving the questions involving two-digit number. And if there is difference given, so always take two conditions, or sometimes it is given in the question also. The both conditions must be satisfied, what is given in the question. The first condition is the sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit. So if we take the first case, 82 is the answer, 82 plus 28, 110, and their difference is 6. So this answer is correct. And when you take the second case, 28 is the answer, its interchanged number is 82. On adding it is giving 110, and difference is 6 again. So in this way, we can find the solution of this question and we check the answer also. Okay. So let's discuss next question. Next doubt of the student. Question number 10 is also a doubt. So let's discuss question number 10 now. When a two-digit number is divided by the sum of its digit, the quotient is 8. Okay. So in this, first lines will be same. Let's assume that digit at tens place be x, digit at units place be y. The original number is 10x plus y. So I'm giving hint for this only. When it is divided by the sum of digit we know that is x plus y. So when 10x plus y is divided by the sum of digit, that is x plus y, the quotient, that is result on dividing, is 8. So cross multiply it to get one of the equation 10x minus 8x 2x, 8y minus y 7y as equation number 1. And if the tens place digit is diminished by 3 times the unit digit, clear. So if the tens place means y, sorry, x is the digit at tens place, is diminished by 3 times the unit digit, the remainder is 1, which is the second equation. Now solve these two equations to get the solution of question number 10. 11th we already have discussed earlier in previous sessions. Now question 11 is also a doubt. So the next doubt is question number 15, the distance related question. Okay.